Which fruit never gets infested with worms? A. Pomegranate. B. Guava. C. Banana. Correct answer is C. Banana. Where are brass utensils made the most in India? A. Moradabad. B. Jaipur. C. Patna. Correct answer is A. Moradabad. What effect does running a fan in a closed room have on the room temperature? A. Temperature will rise. B. Temperature will drop. C. No effect. Correct answer is A. Temperature will rise. LG is a company from which country? A. Japan. B. South Korea. C. China. Correct answer is B. South Korea. What is the biggest source of solar energy? A. Moon. B. Sun. C. Stars. Correct answer is B. Sun. Where is the largest cattle fair held in India? A. Sonpur. B. Pushkar. C. Bareilly. Correct answer is A. Sonpur. Rangoli is a traditional folk art of which state? A. Gujarat. B. Maharashtra. C. Punjab. Correct answer is B. Maharashtra. Which crop takes the longest time to harvest in a year? A. Wheat. B. Rice. Paddy. C. Sugarcane. Correct answer is C. Sugarcane. Where is India's largest coal mine located? A. Jharkhand. B. Chhattisgarh. C. Orissa. Correct answer is A. Jharkhand. Which Indian state has the highest number of unpaved roads? A. Bihar. B. Jharkhand. C. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Bihar. In which country are blue jeans banned? A. North Korea. B. Afghanistan. C. Iraq. Correct answer is in North Korea. Which state is famous for spice production? A. Punjab. B. Kerala. C. Assam. Correct answer is B. Kerala. Which city is known as the City of Palaces? A. Jaipur. B. Hyderabad. C. Udaipur. Correct answer is A. Jaipur. What is the capital of Punjab? A. Amritsar. B. Chandigarh. C. Ludhiana. Correct answer is B. Chandigarh. In which Indian state is the Muslim population the lowest? A. Punjab. B. Mizoram. C. Haryana. Correct answer is B. Mizoram. From which direction did Alexander enter India? A. From the north. B. From the west. C. From the south. Correct answer is B. From the west. Which country has the highest number of hospitals? A. India. B. America. C. China. Correct answer is A. India. Which train passes through 12 Indian states? A. Vivek Express. B. Rajdhani Express. C. Shatabdi Express. Correct answer is A. Vivek Express. In which country can you see the sun at midnight? A. Norway. B. Sweden. C. Russia. Correct answer is in Norway. How long does it take to reach the moon? A. 3 days. B. 7 days. C. 15 days. Correct answer is A 3 days.